everyone, welcome back to my class. This is Rumana Ali. I hope you all are doing well. In today's class, I'm going to start a new lesson, and the name of our lesson is atmosphere wind. So what do you mean by the word wind? We know that air is present around us. Air is present everywhere. In our houses, it blows in our surroundings, in our schools, everywhere. So air is present everywhere and it blows from one place to another place. So the moving air is called as wind. Whenever you heard the term wind, you have to say that the moving air is called wind. This moving air is responsible to cause the changes in the season. It is responsible for the weather conditions, that is for the atmospheric condition. Within a few minutes, I'll explain you about the atmosphere also. First, we'll discuss about the wind. This wind, it is nothing but the air which is moving from one place to another place. This moving air is called as wind. But we cannot see the wind. We cannot see the air with our eyes. Just we can sense that wind is moving. And this wind moves from one place to another place due to gravitational force, and it happens due to rotation as well as revolution. Gravitational force is a force which is present in our earth. Rotation is nothing but the movement of the earth around its axis within 24 hours, and revolution is the movement of the earth within a year. Rotation causes day and night, and revolution of the earth is responsible to cause seasons. Now we'll see the properties of air. There are three main properties that we need to remember, and the first one is air has weight, air has pressure, and even air occupies space. Now I'll give you some examples to understand all these properties of air. How can you say that air has weight? When you lift the tire which is filled of air, it will be heavy. In this way you can understand that air has weight. The next one is air has pressure. So when you blow the balloon, the air will go inside the balloon. If you blow it more and more, then the pressure of the air exerts and it causes the bursting of balloon. The balloon gets burst, right? So in this way, air has pressure and air occupies space. Again, we'll take an example of balloon here. So when you blow balloon, the space which is present inside the balloon, it gets occupied by the air. So in this way, three properties of air are present. Air has weight, air has pressure, and even air has space. तो जो moving air होती है उसको wind बोलेंगे, और वो एक place पे से दूसरी place पे blow होती है. ये एक place पे से दूसरी place पे blow होने के जो है वो reasons है, वो है gravitational force की वजह से, rotation और revolution की वजह से ये wind एक place पे से दूसरी place पर blow हो सकती है. और rotation यानी अर्थ का घूमना जो कि डे और नाइट को कॉज करता है, और रेवोल्यूशन यानी एक ईयर में अर्थ का जो है एक्सिस पर रिवॉल्व होना, उस चीज़ को रेवोल्यूशन बोलेंगे. और रेवोल्यूशन की वजह से सीजन्स होते हैं. और तीन इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज होते हैं एयर के, जो है एयर हैज़ वेट, एयर हैज़ प्रेशर एंड एयर हैज़ space. So these three are the important properties of air. So just before I told you that air is present everywhere. So our surroundings where the air is present, our earth is covered with a blanket of air, and this surroundings where we can find the air, that is nothing but our atmosphere. So atmosphere is nothing but the blanket of air which is present. Our earth is covered with a blanket of air. This is called as atmosphere. And with the help of the information on temperature, clouds and humidity, we can determine the weather conditions. Now you may get a doubt, what is the meaning of weather? So weather is nothing but the atmospheric conditions. Whatever the conditions which we can see in the atmosphere, that is called as weather. And this weather can be determined by the changes that can be seen in the temperature, clouds and humidity. By looking at the changes or with the help of the information on temperature, clouds and humidity, one can predict the weather conditions, one can determine the weather conditions. And when you see the weather report, you can find the presence of different symbols that stands for different weather condition, different atmospheric condition we can say. So here is a list of 10 symbols that is given in your reader, and atmospheric conditions or the weather conditions that are given here: cloudy sky, clear sky, rains, hailstorm, wind blowing from east to west, wind blowing from west to east, wind blowing from south to north, wind blowing north to south direction, cold weather and hot sunny day. All these are the different atmospheric conditions that are represented by these different symbols, and these symbols helps us to determine the atmospheric condition. So this is about the atmosphere and the symbols that are used to know the weather conditions. Now I am going to explain you about the seasons. So in the beginning I already explained you that seasons can be caused due to the revolution of the earth on axis. So year is divided into 3 seasons, and they are summer season, rainy season and winter season. Now we are going to discuss about each season in detail. So firstly we will discuss about winter season. In winter season the weather is cool, the atmospheric condition it becomes cool, and you cannot find the bright sunlight in the winter seasons. If you keep the coconut oil in any bottle, then that coconut oil gets freezes. It is due to the weather conditions, the cold weather, right? The next one is the sun rises delayed and the sun sets sooner. So the time period for the rising of the sun, it gets delayed, and the sunset gets sooner. The day will be very short in winter seasons, and in winter season people used to wear sweaters, rags and shawls. And in this season mango trees start blooming. In the winter season you like to eat some hot chips and snacks, and you prefer to have tea and coffee. So the winter season is a season in which the atmospheric condition becomes cool, and the people used to wear woolen clothes to keep their body warm. The next season is summer season. In the summer season hot breeze blows. That means air which is moving from one place to another, that is too hot, and it makes the environment too uncomfortable. If you go out during summer season in the very bright sunlight, you may feel sweaty, and even you can get a sunstroke. You can be affected, right? So in the summer season hot breeze blows, and it occurs during the months like April, May and June. And in summer season many people like to swim. They want to stay under the shade. They don't want to come out in the sunlight. They wear light cotton clothes. So if you wear light cotton clothes during summer season, it keeps your body cool, won't absorb the heat, it escapes the heat, the cotton clothes. So we usually wear cotton clothes to escape the heat, and in the summer season we prefer more cold water, cool drinks and other juices. So this is about other season, that is summer season. The next one is rainy season. In the rainy season you can see the clouds, rain, thunders, lightning. All these are the atmospheric condition that you can find in the rainy season, and you wear raincoats during this season to keep your body protected from rain. This rainy season extends from the month of July to August, and the crop grows in plenty. We know that the crops require more amount of water in order to grow. So the crops can be grown well when the water is present, and during rainy season we know that rain occurs, and due to this the agricultural crops grows in a proper manner. And rainy season is a season in which the children wants to play more, they want to enjoy the rains, they make paper boats, and even the water bodies like rivers, lakes, it gets the plenty of water. So this is about rainy season. तो अभी हम सीजन्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. एक ईयर में 3 सीजन्स होते हैं, समर सीजन, रेनी सीजन और विंटर सीजन. विंटर सीजन यानी वेदर कंडीशंस बहुत ही ज़्यादा कूल होते हैं और सनराइज बहुत देर से होता है और सनसेट बहुत जल्दी से हो जाता है. और विंटर सीजन में हम लोग स्वेटर्स, रग्स, शॉल्स पहनते हैं ताकि हम सर्दी से बच सके, राइट. और मैंगो ट्रीज जो है वो ब्लूम होना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं विंटर सीजन में. समर सीजन यानी टेम्परेचर बहुत ही ज़्यादा होना, सनलाइट बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राइट होती है और एनवायरनमेंट जो है बहुत ज़्यादा अनकम्फर्टेबल रहता है समर सीजन में. और ये समर सीजन अप्रैल, मई और जून के महीने में देखने को मिलेगा. और समर सीजन में हम लोग कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं और वी यूजुअली वांट टू हैव कूल थिंग्स, तो कूल ड्रिंक्स, ये सारे चीज़ें प्रिफर करते हैं पीपल समर सीजन में. रेनी सीजन यानी क्लाउड्स, रेन्स, थंडर, लाइटनिंग, ये सारी चीज़ें रेनी सीजन में हमें देखने को मिलेंगे. रेन से बचने के लिए लोग रेन कोट्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, अम्ब्रेला का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. और ये रेनी सीजन एक ऐसा सीजन है जो जुलाई से अगस्त तक के एक्सटेंड होता है. और रेनी सीजन में क्रॉप्स बहुत ही अच्छे से ग्रो होते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें पानी अच्छा मिलता है, इसके लिए क्रॉप्स अच्छे से ग्रो होते हैं रेनी सीजन में. सो दिस इज अबाउट ऑल 3 seasons that occurs in a year: winter season, summer season and rainy season. That's all for today. Meet you in next class. Thank you.